Welcome. Let's take this time to return to stillness and reconnect with ourselves. You don't need to do this perfectly, just gently follow along. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, however you prefer. Let your hands rest gently and slowly close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale and exhale slowly. No need to rush. Allow your body to begin to settle. Let go of the day and just relax. Now bring your attention to your breath. Just notice it. Notice how you breathe naturally. You don't have to change this. Just feel the air as it flows in and flows out. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. It's normal. Just gently guide it back to your breath. Inhale and exhale deeply. You might even want to silently say the words in and out with each breath to stay connected. Let each breath bring you a little closer to calm. Let's try a simple technique to stay present. As you breathe, gently place one hand over your heart. Feel the rise and fall with each inhale and exhale. Now say to yourself, I am here. I am safe. I am at peace. Feel the truth of those words in your body. Even if your mind resists, just let the words gently land. I am here. I am safe. I am at peace. Feel how your body has relaxed more and more with this meditation. Notice how you feel a little bit lighter, a little bit more relaxed, and focused on the present moment. Slowly bring your awareness back to the space around you. Notice any sounds, the feeling of your body resting. Take one more slow, full breath in and let it all go on the exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this small moment of peace with you into your day. You just gave yourself the gift of presence, and that's something just so powerful. Thank you for being here, and just have a beautiful day.